destroy you. Where's the Wi-Fi? What the heck?
Breaking news, the internet is down all over the world. We do not know what happened. We are sending you to Albert Aret's internet base with Long John and our field crew.
I hear you, Ronaldo, and I think we found the problem here. Here's Jeffy Boy with the latest news.
Thank you, Long John. We realize this is caused by a Russian hacker and it should be cured shortly. Let me try to cut this line, which will cure the problem.
Power is out. We believe this has been caused by someone cutting a wire.
You're going to jail. Come with me.
No! I'm back at the base, trying to restore power. Let's see.
John, power is now restored.
Привет, people of America. I'm the one who took your internet. If you'd like it back, you better give me $80 billion in cash.
We have tracked the hacker, and we have found that he's living at 318 North Pendock Drive in San Jose, California. We are here, and we got eyes on the hacker. Ryan Higa and the SWAT team are ready to invade the house.
Please let me go. I can fix the internet. Let me out, so now I can fix the internet.
Hip hip hooray, the internet is now restored, and the hacker who caused this mess has been strangled to death. Thank you for sticking with us through this breaking news, and we will be returning you to your regularly scheduled program.